Hello guys, good morning. Today we're going to solve leetcode 94 binary tree in order traversal. Okay, generally in order traversal it can follows the order of left, root and right. So let us jump into the example and we can get to know more about this in order traversal. So actually they have given in order traversal for this problem. Wait a minute. Yeah, in order traversal root value is like 1 comma null comma 2 comma 3. This is nothing but a tree, and they are expecting a result in order traversal. So for this we are going to consider the same example and we can solve and we can find the in order traversal. So let us consider the same example 3 as the node and in order, right? In order. Okay, now we are making the tree into a more structured format. Yeah, as we know, like for the in order, if the degree of the polynomial is 2 means, then we are going to set the value in order. Okay, so let us start from the root node itself. If the root node is visited for first time, so degree should be 1, so we don't need. Again we visited, second time we visited, so the in order should be 1, and again no need to traverse. Visited for 2 for first time, and again visited for the 3 first time, and again we are going, again we visited the third node for the second time as well. So we need to add the value in order, and visited third for the visited node 3 for the third time, and again visited node 2 for the second time. So second time, right? So it should be added here again for third time, again for third time. So here what this in order traversal says is that if the degree of the node value is like 2 means, then we can return it as in order traversal. So let us have a, yeah, here output also we got like 1 3 2, same we got 1 3 2. Okay, let us jump into the problem statement and we can let to know the more. Okay, thank you. Let's solve the problem. Okay, initially like we need to consider the one recursive function like def in order of, we need to pass the node into this function, like it should be read each and every node. So like initial condition is that like if node is present in the, if the tree is empty means, then we simply gonna return empty, and if the tree consists of some sort of values, so then we will follow this in order. For this the order should be like left and root and then right. This should be the perfect order for the in order. So like we need to consider this in order, pass the values of the left subtree to the recursive call and node dot left, and then we need to create the empty list because we need to append all the values inside the tree, right, like to get the perfect in order traversal. So we are going to create that list and we are appending the node value into that particular list, and for the right purpose, like in order, we will call the same in order recursion function for the right subtree as well, and then we need to get the values from the node itself. From root node itself it should be start. So for that I am just simply considering in order of root and simply return the list. Then we will get the result in the format of in order traversal. So let us run the problem and check for the test cases. It is passed. Now submit the code and check for the hidden test cases as well. Yeah, it is passed. The time complexity for this problem should be like big O of n. It will follows the recursion and as well as the every time it should be appending to the list, right? Like so n times we are exactly visiting each and every node. So it should be big O of n. And when it comes to the space complexity of this problem, it should be big O of n only. It depends upon the height of the subtree and as well as height of the tree. Yeah, thank you.